You know, a lot of people take loans. We take home loans, we take car loans, we take educational loans, and what not. But one name in Indian households always pop up when we think of loans, and that is Bajaj Finserv. They are like the dream makers. They offer a variety of loans, and they have been doing that consistently. And they don't just stop when it comes to loans, they also expand to insurance. So basically, they are our one-stop solution for all our financial needs. The financial giant came into existence in April 2007. It emerged as a separate entity following a demerger from Bajaj Auto Limited in February 2008. This wasn't just a corporate maneuver. It was a bold step to refocus their efforts exclusively on the financial services sector. The move allowed investors to see each facet of their business more clearly, akin to pulling back the curtains on a grand stage. This decision didn't just unlock the true potential of their financial service, but it also forfeited their core businesses. The visionary behind Bajaj Finserv, Jamnalal Bajaj, was not an ordinary man. Born in 1889 to a well-off Marwadi family, he was very close to Mahatma Gandhi. Jamnalal Bajaj was adopted and found his way in Maharashtra. In the early days only, he started learning about family business. He got into accounts, he got into manufacturing, and all the things that he thought would work in future. This whole foundation of him being an entrepreneur right from a young age helped us today, the Bajaj Group of Industries. But now let's specifically dive into the business model of Bajaj Finserv. They specialize in insurance, lending, asset management, and wealth management. But here's the clincher. They don't just offer services, they are committed to taking care of their existing customers. In their world, sustainability is not just a buzzword, it's a fundamental principle. Customer satisfaction is the name of their game. Happy customers are their most significant asset, and the word of mouth recommendation is like gold dust. So basically, on and off, trust building is almost an obsession for them. But now let's talk about numbers, let's talk about revenue. Bajaj Finserv, although offers a lot of zero EMI options, their revenue is still made out of the processing fees and also the late fees, which usually people pay when they are not able to pay off their loans on time. And believe me, they can incur interest costs up to 35 to 40% on those loans. So it's all about using those sales, it's all about partnerships, and this is what helps them primarily grow every year. As for investments, Bajaj Finserv has made three noteworthy moves. They have dabbled in a corporate round with Carvi Data Management, opted for debt financing with Federal Transport Private Limited, and joined the Series D investment round for MobiKwik, pumping in rupees 2.3 billion. The tale of Bajaj Finserv is one of the most consistent, and it is growing every single year. It is really remarkable to see how that big business has still managed to grow at a great pace year after year. And same also applies for Bajaj Finance. But of course, every champion and every business has its rivals. Bajaj Finserv's top competitors include IDFC First Bank, Shriram City, and Mahindra Finance. They're all heavyweights in the diversified financial services arena, vying for the top spot. But what's next for this financial wizard? What's next for this financial services king, Bajaj Finance? The insurance business is obviously doing great. The loans business has done very well, of course, for the past few years. But now, what can be done to maintain this amazing growth strategy? And the magic wand is in product innovation. This particularly is the secret sauce behind keeping the insurance business right at the top. So expect more exciting developments by this financial wizard, and we are sure that they'll be able to maintain their asset quality, their growth every year, and we'll keep on seeing Bajaj Finserv doing well in all the segments that they take up.